Okay, so we're looking at the DX160 here. I've got the original speaker, which you can see here. The original speaker, meter, but the original speaker. Now, for those of you who watched Apollo 13, you may have recognised that the same speaker as this is the same one as in Apollo 13, except they've covered that realistic branding with a NASA sticker, so it looks realistic. This is long wave. We're up here right at the end, which is what, 0.4, so we're about 420 kilohertz or something. We're listening to Essendon Terminal Information Service. Okay, so now we change it, we'll go up to the AM band, and we'll just go through here. Very scratchy AM. I got this radio off eBay, had a few problems. The meter has been replaced, as I said earlier. It's been replaced with a meter out of, I think, a 150 in 1 kit, also from Realistic. And the original meter that I got with it was half the size, didn't fill up the whole square. This fills up the whole rectangle and looks a lot better than what I got with it. Looked like a tape VU meter or something that was in there originally. So just flick through it. A lot of stations there at good strength. And so anyway, we'll go up to some of the other bands, which I doubt very much we'll get anything. We'll try up on 27 meg, and I doubt very much we'll receive anything at all. Turn the audio right up. A bit of breakthrough there from there. That I have no idea. Sounds like the old over horizon radar. Oh, hang on, we're up in 10 meters. 10 meter amateur band. I could be getting some, I don't know, slow scan TV or something. And just tuning back through. We're getting absolutely nothing. This is mid-afternoon in Melbourne on a very dead day. It's the same day as I did the FRG7 demonstration, which, if you've watched that, you'd realise that, you know, there's very little on here. I'm not using a great antenna, admittedly. It's using something that's cut for about 28 meg, so not surprising it's a little bit compromised. Let's go back up and see what we can get in here. And for all the purists out there who'll say I should be just setting this main dial and then tuning in with this one over here, yes, you're right, but if I'm very careful, it won't really matter. I have got it set to the right setting. This AF control, it has been changed. It normally was a click off, but unfortunately you can't get the click off rheostats anymore. And so the on off has to go now through, I've wired it through, it goes through the standby switch. It leaves the lights on, which is kind of unfortunate, but it's the only way that I could get it to switch the radio off without pulling it off at the main point. So, as you can hear, very dead day. Maybe something here. Absolutely nothing. Nope. So, yeah, we're not going to be able to show you. Oh, saved. Sounds like something coming from the Middle East, but I couldn't tell you what. Let's see if we can get... There's our sweet spot. And we actually had the meter move. That's a good sign. Maybe I should just do this of an evening when there's actually something to listen to. But we'll just keep going here. And that's the only one. So it's been a very dead day here. Okay, I won't bother going down to the C band, 4.5, sorry, 4.5 down to 1.5, there'll be nothing down there. Not in the daytime like when we're trying now. So, look, that's the DX160, great radio. I love the fact it's sort of built so solid. You know, you could not build a radio like this these days. It would just cost an absolute fortune. But beautiful to listen to. AM performance, I should mention, for these radios is something phenomenal. Apparently they have a very, very sensitive pickup on AM. I have modified this one. I put a metal cover on the back to keep RF from the shack out of getting into the actual circuitry, and you have to actually move the rod, the AM antenna rod inside away, otherwise it detunes the radio. So I have done that. I also have an AM loop which I have put up and connected to this, and it performs extremely well. Hope you've enjoyed the DX160, and have a look at some of my other demonstrations. I've got an FRG7 up there, and coming up very shortly I'll have the DX150 demo for you. Following that there will probably also be a DX440, but I'm not sure how that's going to go for the moment. All the best, good DX, goodbye.